Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about slivers inside Flutter. So actually what is slivers? Slivers is the portion of area which will be able to scroll. Like this it will be scrolling. So we have different types of slivers in the Flutter like SliverAppBar, SliverList, SliverGrid. So for this example I have used the SliverAppBar and the SliverList. So to display this below list I have used the SliverList, and in the top I have used the SliverAppBar to make the UI like this. So this example, whenever I am scrolling to the top, so I am stick mm, stick to this tab bar in the top like this. So if I scroll down again, it will be display all the app bar widgets like that balance and the editing field. So the source code of this example will be given in the below description.